Tiny home adventure here, y'all. My granddaughter is driving. Y'all pray for me. How old are you?
No, I'm praying.
And I'm driving Nick.
I'm praying. I ain't in my
And then
And I'm driving Nick.
Quincy driving next. See, that's why you 10 with your shirt on backwards.
I did put on my shirt.
Why you hit the
I'm
horn?
not gonna put it.
All right, then. Naya, put your foot on the brake.
There you go.
Put your foot on the brake, Naya.
Not hard. But you,
Yeah, put it on hard. Put your foot on the brake hard. Go all the way to drive.
ease off the brake.
Ease off the brake.
Turn which way you want to go. Turn that way. And ease off the brake.
Yeah. Now,
There you go. You all the way off the brake. Now ease on the gas. Ease on it.
wait, look where you're going.
I'm walking with the truck.
Where you going, Naya?
You got it now.
Okay, she's driving, y'all. Look. Look, she stepped on the gas. She know a little bit, don't you? You ever been driving before? With who? Oh, yeah, you sure did, didn't you? Yeah. I guess you drove, Quincy? I guess Quincy. We start them off real early in the country, y'all. Because we want them to be dependent on themselves. You don't have to depend on nobody to do it for you. So you need to learn how to drive. She's doing a really good job. I gotta go to town, but she's not driving me on the highway, y'all. She's in the country. Look at the country roads, y'all. She's not gonna be on the highway. The bean field. The bean field over there.
Oh, we all scared of the car. Yeah, that's how it is. But I have the auto side of the road.
All right, y'all. We'll be right back.
How will you brush your teeth? I ain't brush my teeth.
Did you give him some cookies?
I ain't brush my teeth. Because you did brush your teeth. You don't, because they so fucked up. You brush your teeth? I'll give you some later. Okay. Put your child out car low.
What? What you finna get out of my car? Y'all gonna get enough of taking that thing everywhere. He didn't put dirt on you already. TT. Vacuum cleaner is all over me. Y'all look at vacuum cleaner. Look at TT right here.
What? Nope. I got charged. Yep. You baby.
Where y'all headed to?
Jacket quit on my shoes. I mean, quit D and Jerry.
What's wrong with that? Why you wear your feet all the way up to the shoe?
I got me some too. They go right.
They go hard. Oh, Lord have mercy. They go hard. Yeah.
I ain't in elementary no more. I'm in middle school. I wanted some feeders.
You in middle school? What middle school is that?
I ain't in elementary.
So you don't go to that school no more? You go to Darien them school? Oh. TT. 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 What up with that TT? What up with that TT? Don't you jump on me. What up with that TT? TT, you done came a long way, bro. Girl. Both of these are girls. With them little keen teeth. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. This is what vacuum cleaner like for me. This is what vacuum cleaner do. She lays on her back just so I can rub her stomach. And then you guys notice when she do this. Look. Look at that. Oh, you jealous. Oh. Get your feet off of her. You stepping on her. There you go. There you go. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner doing that leg. Doing that leg dance. Look at that. And she laid back too. Look at her. All right. All right. There she go. Yeah. But she lay down on her back. Look at her. She just lay there when she see me now.
See that? Look. Look. I ain't even do nothing.
Ooh wee. When y'all bath these dogs last?
What is her spot head? There you go. Look.
That's your spot, TT. What you finna do with Windex?
You should just said don't be staying. He said hey, Ronald.
I gotta fix that.
Wait, did he give you some?
Yup. I got one by something, then he had that back to me.
I'm gonna go fix that thing.
Oh, okay. Well, he don't want them. Huh?
I'm gonna go fix that blinker.
That what? Blinker on the combine? And then you gonna wash the combine window out?
I already washed them all.
Oh, okay.
How about I want to wash your truck? You rinse it off?
Hmm?
Want to rinse your truck off?
Boy, get them cookies off that gas jug. I know, take the cookies off there and let somebody hold them.
Let TT hold them.
Okay, here come TT.
TT ain't gonna hold them. Gonna swallow all of them.
All right, you be mad if she come over there and go. You be mad if she come over there and eat all your cookies up.
Get your charger piece.
She can't eat them anyway. She don't have one.
Huh?
Don't be laughing. Don't be laughing.
I'm in a dump truck, ate my burger.
Y'all don't understand that animals, if you leave food out there on the ground, animals will have a tendency to eat them. You can't get mad at the animals about it. She snatched that burger. Who? Oh, she did. Who? TT did. You can't play with no dog.
Get back. Say that dog need the bath because he ain't sleeping in the man cave.
Who ain't sleeping in the man cave?
The dog.
What you mean?
But they ain't cleaned it up yet. Wipe up on her own.
Y'all, let's check out this corn that my grandson did. Our garden that I started. But next year I'll be ready because I'm going to have all the equipment that I need. Oh, okay. You all, it's growing. There go one. There go one. I don't know. Was this watermelon? See, all these vines has got to go. And I need the disc. I need the disc on back of the tractor to break this up really good. Then I'm going to come in here with a tiller because my friend down the street, he has a tiller and I can use the tiller to tiller it all up and make rows. But one thing about it, if I break it now, that'll be excellent because I can grow some greens. I can throw some greens out here and grow some greens out here. But right now, it's got so many vines. It looks like they got watermelon out here. TT keep messing with this cat. And y'all look at the corn right here. TT keep messing with the cats, but the cats end up attacking him. And he end up crying and the cats ain't even touched him. And TT will start crying before the cats even touch him. I guess he knows if them cats get a hold to him, that's a 430. My kids used to say, get back, get TT back. TT gonna hurt them cats. I said, nah, baby girl. Nah, baby boy. Don't worry about them cats. Cause believe me, TT gonna let him go. See, you can hear TT crying right now. When them cats go, shh, TT holler and scream. They don't even touch him. Touch her. They don't even touch her. Look, look. This is what she do. Look. TT move. Dogs get jealous too. I noticed that. For real, you gonna run around with the little saucer? Roll it up, throw it. How far can you throw it? Really?
I got it. Watch this. One. Good. Good. Yeah.
That tire heavy as I don't know what. Really? I thought you could throw it higher than that.
Two. Three.
Go! Make that kid!
Y'all, we finna get on this combine. Tay finna show me the controllers and everything up here on this big old piece of equipment. This big piece of equipment, y'all. See, my tiny house wouldn't even be this big. This is a hideous piece of equipment for no reason. Well, yeah, have a reason. Look at that boy there.
You coming up here, ain't it?
Yeah, I can get up there.
I thought you wanted me to hold this.
Hold it. Woo! Doing what you doing.
Oh yeah, this the thing. You can see all your grain and stuff right here. There goes somebody right there with their tractor. They just got done spraying.
Woo! This is a long way to climb, y'all.
They just got done spraying them over there.
Oh, that tractor going that fast. They didn't even stop at the gravel road.
The acceleration on the tractor's fast. Here you go.
Maybe I can drive it. Y'all got it clean up in here. It smells good.
I told you on the interior, man.
Woo.
They is going fast though.
Yeah, they're going really fast. Okay, what's all these stuff for? What's all this stuff?
Ask a question. Which one?
Okay, what's that knob for right there? Orange.
Orange.
This whole big thing right here.
Did the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, just to go forward and backwards right here. That's it right there. You push it forward to go forward and push it back to go back.
Do you know what all these are for?
I don't know what these are for, but I know what all these are for.
What are those?
Well, these are hazard lights right here at the top.
Oh.
This for your arm to swing it out.
To swing it out?
Yeah, and this to turn it on, turn it like, you know, let the argon on. This right here is to let that up and down when the header on.
Oh, the header.
And then that's for the header too. It's like, you know, the rail that's spin. You can let it up and down and all that. And then this turn the back on, but that back there spin. And then this right here, this turn the header on to where it spin. And then these right here, these just engine speed. Well, this how the owl of it. They got owl
it up and owl it down.
These right here, the speeds 1 and 2.
Okay.
But yeah.
I know what this is. This is the blinkers.
Yeah.
Well,
it's a blinker and something else.
Signal.
If you see right there, it's gonna be a big like rectangle looking light.
Where?
When you cutting at night, you just click it and then it's gonna be bright over there.
What rectangle light? Where at?
You see? It should be over here somewhere. Right here.
Where?
If you click it, you know, down, it's gonna be right. That light right there gonna come on.
Oh, okay. Boy, that arm is long. Look how far it is. If you, man, that's kind of a long ways down there.
Yep.
The tire is whoo.
You can still. Oh yeah. Look at this. Some cool.
Wait.
There's some cool right here.
What? Oh, you can move it back and forth. How did you do that?
It's for road travel though.
Oh,
That's
so
why
you
the
move it in.
That's why the chains and stuff right there.
Oh, how did you do that?
This right here.
Oh, and it swings back.
Step on it again. You gotta use all your strength to push it.
Oh, to push it over. Oh, that's for road travel.
You gotta make sure it's locked sometimes though.
Oh, okay.
But this right here, this the filter. What is it? It's a filter down up there. You go. It's right there. It's under the cab, but.
What would you like to say to John Deere?
I mean,
Maybe John Deere give us a ride lawnmower. John Deere, look, my grandson know a lot about y'all. Anybody out there, get in contact with John Deere. Because you guys are just excellent. And we would like another riding lawnmower that I can drive. I can't drive this big piece of equipment. But if you gave me another one, believe me, I would learn. And believe me, it will be going out in cornfields for custom harvest this year. Just give me one. Just give me a combine. Give me a tractor. Give me a lawnmower. Give me a piece of equipment. Yeah, John Deere, yeah!
Hey, they got fire extinguishers in the front and the back.
They got fire extinguishers front and back? Oh, yeah.
Then they got one back there.
Because you know what? That bean dust can catch a fire real quickly. Yeah, the static of it. Is it a horn on here?
Huh?
Is it a horn on here?
Nah, that's on one of the newer models.
What is this?
That's for the temperature, I think.
No.
Yep. If you step on that thing right there, this right here gonna come down.
Oh, okay.
Step on it real quick. Yeah.
Step on this?
No, that's the brake.
Oh, this.
And the wheel gonna come down.
Oh. Ah. It looks like a horn is on here somewhere, because the older ones had.
But that's for the, this is for the left side. That's the left, this is that wheel and that's the other wheel.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I say when you're going road travel, you supposed to, it's a little latch. Then you cup them to get, it's this right here. Then you put it like that.
Oh.
So when you hit one, both of them will go down.
You know a lot about John Deere tractors. Well, who taught you that, son?
Experience. Oh, you got this down here too for your tools and your papers.
Oh.
No.
So you got a glove compartment, but what about this seat I'm sitting in now? Do it offer anything? Does it let up and down? I mean, does it have something up under it where you can?
You just got this.
Oh, you got that.
Yep.
Well, let me look over here in this part. Open that whole thing right there. Do the whole thing open up?
Well, it's just that right here. But it's just, you just can touch that right there.
Oh. Those where the seeds go at.
I can open up the back if you wanted to.
All right.
You can wipe the windows though. You go around, it's a little step right here.
Oh.
Then you just a handle here.
So you can wipe the windows.
Then you come down there. You wipe them all like that. You can get to this. That's how you get to this side. The steps over here. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Oh, so what is that side for?
Huh?
What is that side for? Oh, but can you go in through that door?
It's an emergency though. It's a little string right here.
Uh-huh.
Pull it here, come open that thing.
Oh, okay.
But I guess this is just for the wipe the mirrors and all that, but it's stationary place. Yep, these are the handles everywhere.
So now we're gonna learn something about the back of this big old huge machine. Got my tiny home, gonna sit right there. I'm gonna get that tiny home. Y'all, I'm gonna get it. I promise God I'm finna get it. Okay.
That's the this the battery. It's a.
How many batteries do it have?
Huh?
Do it have one battery or two batteries or what?
You really can't see it.
Whoa.
This the battery right here. You can see the black and all that. Black and red.
Is it a bigger battery than a regular battery?
The battery up in here, I ain't really seeing inside.
Oh, okay.
There's a switch. It's a kill switch. You could just kill it.
I see they got a step right there.
Yep. You step up. There is the things right here.
Where at?
Like plugs and all that.
Oh.
Computer system, I guess. Yep.
And that lets down. Okay. Now what we're looking at.
This right here. It comes.
I know that this stuff throws the trash out.
Yeah, it spin and throw it out. And then this right here, this whole dope come that way. Then it's a ladder that come down. You put this ladder, it's gonna make a little screeching sound.
Oh, so that open. Oh, okay. And then it's a.
See where it's scarred up there right here.
Oh, okay.
Then a ladder. When you get up there, that's the engine.
Wow. And that's the engine part.
Well, you gotta go out. It's these
That's
steps then
and another step.
it's these steps then another step then you get to
Oh.
the engine. But the diesel tank right here though,
The diesel tank? Oh.
It's right here. That's it.
How many gallons does this hold?
Don't know.
You don't know? We need to find out how many gallons does
Yeah, but you go
diesel does this hold.
Here go the other fire extinguisher right here. It's another one. Then up here you got the hydraulic fluid.
Here. Let them see.
You not coming up? But, yeah, this is fire extinguisher then.
Look in the camera. While you showing it.
Then that's diesel tank. This the hydraulic stuff over here. And then up all the way up here, it's the engine. This the engine up here though. I can.
Can you show them the engine?
I don't got. You gotta have a. I gotta have a flathead, cause these doors come up.
Oh, okay.
I gotta have a flathead screwdriver. But this a filter right here. This right here is the filter. Then this thing right here, this come open.
Oh, okay.
Matter of fact, you see it right here. It's a big old fan up in there.
Oh.
Mm. There you go.
All right, y'all. We done had a lesson with my grandson.
Oh yeah, that's a speaker right there for you bag up and make that little sound.
What speaker?
It's a speaker right there.
Oh, right here. Dun, 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 dun. That's what makes that sound. So when you bagging up.
Yep. And this for safety though. This right here.
Yeah.
Look at that big old grasshopper.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, he's sitting there looking at us. Y'all look at the grasshopper. He's sitting there watching us.
He's finna jump. Lean closer, he gonna jump. See, he moving.
He hasn't jumped yet. Y'all got a close-up shot. There he go. And he runs. He ran over there in the beans, the no-till beans.
I think that thing is waterproof though. I think most likely it is.
Yeah.
He got the belts and all that.
This is a lot of stuff up under here.
You know, like at night he got the lights and stuff that's under here.
Oh.
Oh, they got them all. Yeah, these are lights from all up under here.
Well, this is almost like a machine on wheels.
Mm-hmm.
A factory.
It's supposed to be doors right here, but it's on back of the truck.
Oh, okay.
Use that stuff, don't use it, be open. Yep.
Y'all, we got a little tour. Thank you. Thank you for the tour. I live on a dusty road. That's why my car don't stay clean. My friend Loretta looked at my car when I went to Alabama and she said, now this is pitiful, but she don't know where I live. Let me show you. Let me show you an example of where I live. Here come a car right now. Now, this is all dust. You see people riding down here in sports cars and everything. See, look at all that dust. This is where I live at. So it's nothing I can do about my vehicle getting dirty.